In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently stop TickTick app notifications. If you're receiving a lot of alerts from TickTick app and you like to permanently stop them, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, to do this, we need to access TickTick app info page, and you can do that by going to settings. From settings, look for apps. Under apps, look for manage apps. If you don't see manage apps, look for all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the search list here, just search for TickTick, and here it is. If you tap on it, now we are on TickTick app info page. Here, go to permissions, and under permissions, you want to look for notifications. Here you can see all these notifications are turned on. This is the reason you have been receiving those alerts. To permanently turn all of them at once, just toggle off show notifications, and that is it. You'll never again receive notifications from TickTick app unless you turn it on again. So that's how you can permanently disable TickTick app notifications. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.